So the match is going to start now. The defenders are here, the first three, and Hasini, Hema, Charvi, they are ready to attack these defenders. It's looking really nice, this match. We can see these players are really full of spirit, and she just missed the chance to like get the point there. And there you go, they are ready. The defenders are playing really good. They are not giving the point to them. Oh, she's claiming the point, and that's the point there. It's really nice. Charvi is on the charge. She given the co nicely, and it's a trap, and he's gone. That's really good. So the last defender is here from the first three. So Charvi is going for him. It looks like she will get him. No, he's escaped really good. So Hema is on the charge. Hema gets him. That's really good from Hema, and that looks like a foul. So the second three is also here now, and the cameraman is Narendra. He is also recording really good. So that Charvi is claiming the point. No, that's a foul. It's a foul. Yeah, that's a good realization. So now they are going again. On the pole, the player looking confident to defend himself. That's good from Charvi. Just that's it. She didn't get the point. That's a really good chance to get the point. Again, she get the point. That's nice. Finally, and you go. So this is going to be really thrilling. We have this player who is playing really good now. The team players are cheering him to defend himself. No, Charvi got the point. That's nice. Excellent. So we have, it's not the self out. So Hasini, Charvi is going fast. Hema is on the charge. Hema is really fast, but she missed the chance there. There you go. That's it. And the point is gone. So the last three is here, and Hasini is going for them. That's a nice fake. Oh shit, just a miss. So that's a foul, and they should go for it now. So it's fast. Oh, slipped. They should be careful while giving the co, and you can see it. They're slow now. That's a nice thing at the pole. That's a nice fake. Again, he's faking it. So Charvi is on the charge now. That's a nice co. And the player is really confident to defend himself now. Let's see, Hasini will get the point. No, the co is passed away. And here we go. That's a nice fake again. He's playing really good. And Hasini got the co now. Yeah, she's going for him, but no. So it's passed again. The course is going really good. They are not fast enough. Hema is avoided there. So they should bring their main players into the game now. So Hasini is there ready. No, just miss. Charvi is fast. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, she's gone for another player. Just miss. Nice from Charvi. Yeah, Hema got the chance now. Finally, Hasini is here. Nice. So that's a nice fake there. We go. Hasini is on the pole. Just nice go. He's avoiding them really good. Hasini got the chance. No, he's gone. Nice fakes. The players are looking exhausted now. They should take the point now. Hema is on fire, but she is not getting the point now. These last three is playing really good professionally. He is playing from past 2 minutes, I think. Yeah, they are going for the main defender again to make him exhausted. There you go. Can they get him now? Can they get him now? Oh, perhaps not. That's a foul. Hema, no, she given the co. So let's see. He looks exhausted, I think. Yes, he's exhausted. No, that's wrong. Come on, Charvi. Come on, guys. Go for the main player. That's a foul. Go for the main player. He's exhausted already. Look at him. You should have get him now. Yes, Hema, go there. Yeah. Go fast. He's gaining his energy again. Come on. Make him. There you go. He's trying to fake it now. So there you go. He faked really good. He's playing really good. So we got at the pole. No, just miss. That's a nice fake. The player should have taken the line there. Charvi is no. She's gone for the other player. That's not a good attack. So there you go. They're backing to the main player now, and we are waiting for him to get out. But he's taking all the credits for the team. Playing really nice. He's absolutely showing his spirit. There you go. Faking. He's trying his fakes, and nice. The other players are just looking. They're not helping him. So he's a true energetic player. No doubt in that. Playing from past 4 minutes, I think. He's still not exhausted. He looks being slow. Hema missed him means you can think how hard he's playing, how hard he's defending now. So it's not even taking fouls. He's just keeping them like running all the way around here, but not enough energy for them to get this point. There you go. Another mistake. Hema is going for the other player. No use. There it is. That's it. The time is up now. That's really good gameplay. These players are exhausted already. So that's it. So we will meet that player who defended all this time now. So let's meet him now. Come on. So let's know his name. What is your name?
I'm Satvik.
M. Satvik. So that's really good spirit. What is your class? 8th class only. That's nice. Okay, you played really good. That's more important, and you defended really well. Okay, that's almost 6 minutes, I think. You can see in the video itself. Okay, like I have told you many things while you are playing. Any like how you defended all, how many fakes you did. Okay, that's really incredible. Hope other students will learn from you. Okay, so are you confident to go for another round?
Okay.
Perfect.